So yeah, guys, this is a vlog. I don't really know what to do today. I think I'm naked. I really don't know. I'm just so fucked right now. This is pretty weird. Just take a look. I'm naked. This is fucked. What's been up, man? How's your daughter? Yeah, I'm just fucked right now. But yeah, how you doing? Do I have a mustache? This is kinda weird. But I don't really know how to do today. I think last month my iPod got stolen on my school at some party. But yeah, I got a new one, cause yeah, I got some money from the, you know what, I don't know. But yeah, I got some money from something. But I think I'm on drugs, I don't know. But I'm just fucked. I don't really want to know what to do today. I think I'm gonna play some Minecraft. Yeah, but I'm maybe next month there's gonna be some Minecraft videos up on my main channel. But yeah, I don't really know, cause I'm just too fucked to talk. But I don't really know why I made this vlog. Yeah, but I think I'm on drugs. But what the fuck? Yeah, I will see you some other time. I guess. Bitch. Whoa. I'm sorry I called you bitch. Later.